Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and favorite a workout on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started looking at our workout. So first things first, you're going to choose the plan that you want to follow. So here at the bottom of the screen you can find the themes section that's going to enable you to select the theme that you want to be a part of, and it's going to give you different kinds of workouts. So then after you have selected your theme, you can go to the main workout page right here. Keep in mind, to use the ladder application you need to have a subscription which is paid, or to use a free trial that is offered to you when starting to use the ladder application. You cannot use it for free, but basically once you have gotten that subscription, here on the main page you're going to go and be able to access your workouts. So to be able to favorite any workout, you're just going to open up the workout and then click this save option right here at the bottom left corner. By clicking save, this is going to put this workout into your saved and favorite workouts, and you can access them later on all in one space to remember where all your favorite workouts are located. And this is how to go ahead and favorite a workout. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.